Hello friends, welcome back to Cat Practice. Today we are going to construct the 16th part, the final part of this complete assembly, propeller. When I double click this, you can see the complete propeller profile. Okay, so this will be the final child part of this assembly in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to new, take standard part in millimeter and go to create. Take here 2D sketch, select XY plane, take circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 24. Now here make circle of diameter 20. Go to line command and here make a taper line and make a center line joining both the circles. Now escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to dimension. Define the angle as 6 degree. Define this distance as 60 mm. Okay. Go to tangent constraint. Select this circle. Select this line. Okay. Now here go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Okay, go to trim, trim this profile, trim this and this. Now go to mirror, select these profiles. Okay, first make a center line, go to line, make a center line, a vertical center line and escape. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to mirror, select these profiles. Okay, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Go to trim, trim this profile, go to dimension, define it again. This will be the radius 12. Okay, and enter. Now finish sketch. Take here extrude, take here symmetric extrude, and take here a distance of 8 mm and press OK. Go to fillet, take here a fillet of radius 3. Go to edge selection, select this corner, select this, rotate, select this, and here select the bottom corner, this one, apply. Now select this face and select this face, press OK. Go to home, now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the mounting hole. Circle command, from the center point make a circle of diameter 10. Finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction, so this will be 8 mm, this will be a cut profile and press OK. Now here define the appearance, this will be chrome polished and save it. Save it as part 16. This will be the propeller. Okay, and save. So this was the final part. Now the next video will be the final assembly of the toy plane in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.